Pallet flow is a dynamic, high-density storage solution relying entirely on gravity to provide automatic pick face replenishment. Pallets loaded on one side of the system gently flow toward the opposite aisle on slightly inclined wheeled tracks. Pallet flow maximizes storage capacity with nearly double the pallet positions versus selective rack within the same footprint. Each lane can store a unique SKU, providing maximum selectivity. The separate load and pick aisle configuration supports highly efficient first-in, first-out inventory rotation. The multi-deep lanes range from 2 to 4 deep for case pick or pick module systems and upwards of 10 pallets deep for higher density deep lane applications. This dense storage configuration uses fewer aisles, resulting in reduced forklift travel time and greater picking efficiency, meaning lower equipment and labor costs. Pallet flow can also be used as a pushback system by using a single aisle for both loading and unloading, supporting a last-in, first-out inventory rotation. The loading and unloading procedure remains the same, just completed from a single aisle. All Apex storage systems are engineered to perform and built to last, even in the busiest warehouse environments. Call Apex today. Our storage and material handling experts will design your custom pallet flow system to make the most efficient use of your space for maximum productivity and ROI.